Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread Nutri, full guide. Mix 3 cups whole grain flour, 1 cup water, 2 tsp yeast, 1 tsp salt, and 2 tablespoon olive oil. Knead for 10 minutes. Let dough rise until doubled, shape, and bake at 375 degrees F for 30-35 minutes. I will walk you through variations, timing tips, and simple swaps to make your loaves healthy. I explain easy ingredient swaps that keep bread tasty but more nutritious. Try replacing half the white flour with whole wheat, use Greek yogurt to cut fat while keeping moisture, and swap sugar for mashed fruit or honey. I'll describe how each swap affects texture and rise, and show exact amounts so you can test them without guessing. These swaps make homemade bread better for everyday meals. Let's boost nutrition without losing great bread texture. I suggest adding 2 4-tablespoon seeds like flax or chia, mixing in 1 cup cooked grains or legumes, and trying sprouted grain flour for better nutrient uptake. I'll explain timing so seeds don't affect rise and give proportion tips to keep crumb structure. You'll learn how much to add and when so your loaves stay light, tasty, and nourishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.